Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so this is a course on web development with WordPress from zero to hero a Hausa. So sunana Shehu Awal, ga email address ina nan, ga website na nan or blog ina, ga Twitter handle ina Shehu Awal. So game da ni ko about me, so I really don't know where to start from. So ban san da zan fara irin introducing din kaina na ba, sunana Shehu Awal or something like. So amma like this kind of brief about me. So I'm a system administrator with eHealth Africa. So and before I continue more on this course, I would like to thank one of my top manager, Abdulhamid Yaya. So we thank you. So like this thing, someone really has to inspire you. So I really thank him. So he's my mentor, a leader, my manager also. So I'm really fortunate to have him also. So his name is Mohammed Umar Atmo Uken, the Nigerian child. Actually, he's a Buharist. So Seoga, that's Ali Abditofa also. I can't add, I need also to add him to the list. So Andre and Aki also, let's appreciate him guys, because he's one of the person that provide us with the internet access. So if not, you won't be able to see this video. So and shout out to also some of my colleagues also at work. So course outline. So when I show you course outline, so a lot of people doesn't know where to start the basis of web development with. So actually, you can actually learn web development. Amma dole dai Hausa din ne dai, amma dole dai sai mun turanci din dai, at least let's make sure everything is really understandable for everyone. So web development, so zam dau menene web din and www by Tim Berners-Lee. So we are going to take about a look at HTTP and HTTPS protocol basics, menene HTTP, menene HTTPS protocols. So zamu duba wani cryptographies yake aiki akan HTTP da HTTPS, sorry. So like the SSL certificates, amma yanzu is deprecated, like irin yanzu ba amfani da shi. So now we have the TLS cryptography that has been used in generating certificates for HTTPS. Okay. So we are going to look at menene HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript. Even though you don't need for this course, though, ba kwa bukatan irin ku shiga can deep dive in. Even for someone who doesn't know much about irin these kinds of programming languages and markup language, is fine. So za ku iya develop din website ɗinku with WordPress. So kuma za mu duba menene ake cewa domain name, menene DNS, domain name service. So kuma za mu duba menene IP and ports number. So za mu duba menene servers, me ake cewa web servers, like irin different types of web servers da muke da shi, like irin Apache, Nginx, IIS, Tomcat, and other few web servers we have. So za mu duba database. Amma most especially a nan course we are going to look at RDBMS, Relational Database Management Systems. Amma we have the two types, RDBMS shine na farkon, then we have this NoSQL database. Amma mostly for this for this course, we are going to look at RDBMS. Though even though there are some database and now there's some basa supporting our WordPress, amma we just have to look at them as your course now. So za mu duba yadda za a yi downloading in WordPress. Za ka yi download in WordPress maybe on your phone, then you transfer it to your system, or from your system you download it. Ko ya dai, we just have to look at it. Then yadda za ka install it in WordPress on your system. So it doesn't even need ko Windows XP kake running, ko Windows 7, ko Windows 8 for now. So we are going to just look at the what's it called, at Windows users, because that's where everybody use, like. So because I don't want to go irin ban san in je technical sosai akan wannan course din. So so I don't want to go into the Linux stuffs and other things like that. So let's just focus mostly on Windows side of the thing. So zamu duba, like we are going to look at WordPress dashboard. Mu duba yanda WordPress interface din yake. We look at posts and pages, yanda za ku yi creating and posts and pages, yanda za ku yi duba settings, appearance, and customization. So zamu duba yanda za ku je ku set domain name. So for example, domain name is maybe like .com, .org, .ng, .whatnot, and so on. So yanda za ku siya web server. So we are going to look at shared hosting though. So menene servers, menene shared hosting, and other things like that. So yanda za ku siya, we link it in domain name ɗinku da servers ɗin, yanda za ku yi hosting ɗin irin content ɗinku a wannan server ɗin. And as time goes on, maybe idan company ɗin suka yi muku wani abu haka, maybe like some services ɗin da ya zan ba kwa so you guys can just irin ku move it in files ɗinku or database ɗinku, like your information from that server and migrate it to another server. So za mu duba yadda ake installing ɗin SSL or TLS certificate. So za mu duba yadda ake installing ɗin plugins or themes, yadda ake setting up Gravatar image, yadda za ku setting auto profile ɗinku, update your services like in reading settings, discussion settings, permalinks, widgets, and so as time goes on, also we are going to look at the SEO part of it, in search engine optimization. Yanda idan ku shiga Google da kun sa sunan company ɗinku or sunan website ɗin da kuka viewing zai ɗauko shi a irin top ranks kenan a search engine, either on Google search, Bing, DuckDuckGo. So then, and we are going to look at security side of it, yanda za ku irin secure ɗin website ɗinku. So and as time goes on, we keep looking at things to add. So that's all. So kuna iya shiga Google, YouTube, ku sa sunana Show Awal, then you see the subscribe button there, just subscribe the button, I think so. You don't get subscribing, so when I want, at least it will motivate me for me to do more of these videos, and then share it to your friends and family. So sai na gan ku a wani video din. Cheers.